Well, a lovely little thing this. We've described it as a moth border because it's a blue willow egg cup. Got some age to it as well, which is going to show the inner glaze soon. But just look at that moth, you see it looking downwards, and this is what is described in quite a few blue willow borders as a moth border where they've incorporated that design. The detailing in this transfer print, you can see the join there where it's been aligned. It's really spectacular. I've not seen one like this before. I think it's quite unusual and rare. Lovely unevenness in the actual wall of this little egg cup. No markings on it at all, but you can see from the china it's made of, a lot of grit and ironstone grit in it there, and in the base as well. Just look at that. You see all that? It's not markings. That's actually inclusions in the actual glaze that's been used. This sort of creamy, quite thick slip glaze over the china that they form with this. Leads me to believe this is quite an early piece, probably early 19th century. Very unusual. One for the collectors of Blue Willow. I don't think you're going to find a set of these anywhere very quickly. It's going to be one for your collection of egg cups, and we've got quite a few interesting pieces, including some old burly ones on catalogue at the moment, in a pedestal footed and a straight design egg cup like this. Lovely little thing, probably quite early, very unusual, extremely rare, beautiful little thing just in your hand. The feel of it's absolutely incredible. Can't really relay that on a video, but it's just special, this one. Not seen it before. Tried image searches to see if we can find any matches ever listed on Google, and there's nothing that looks remotely like it. So if you've got any more information on these, or sitting on a set of a dozen, do let us know in comments. We'd be very pleased to hear from you. Thanks for watching.